How to find Tonkeeper wallet address. First of all, you need to launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Here on the home page, if you see your balance, underneath your balance you will be able to see the deposit address of yours. So this is basically the wallet address of yours which you can use in order to make the deposits in your Tonkeeper wallet. So in order to copy it, you need to simply tap on it, and once it says copied, it simply means that you have successfully copied your wallet address. Now here you will be able to see the W5 written right next to your wallet address. So currently Tonkeeper is working on the version 5. So this is the most latest version. If you are not able to find it over here, then I would recommend you to simply update your Tonkeeper wallet, or you can even uninstall and reinstall your wallet, but make sure that you have your recovery phrase, because without your recovery phrase you won't be able to log in again in your account. Now with the latest version of your address, you will be able to make the deposits. Now for any reason, if you are not able to see the your address option over here, then you can even tap on the receive option, and this is basically the QR code as well as the wallet address or the deposit address of yours. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.